This 1957 Smith Corona Silent Super Typewriter with beautiful green keys is in excellent condition. It has been disassembled, cleaned, serviced, adjusted, and reassembled with a new ribbon installed. It has been thoroughly tested and is ready for use. Everything works as it should. The serial number on it is 5T405910X. It does have some paint loss on this corner. And a couple little spots here on back. But overall, it looks quite nice. And I'll get some paper in it and show you how it types. Also types in red. Has a 1957 Smith Corona Silent Super Typewriter, and it types very well. This typewriter also comes with its original case, which is in beautiful condition. It's a hard case. The handle's perfect. The latch is good. It's clean, solid. I have a reprinted user's manual. Has an original sales tag. And even the key for it. The piece that holds the typewriter comes out so you can use the case as a small suitcase. It's a very nice nice, solid, clean case. It's for the 1957 Smith Corona Silent Super. Recently serviced and ready for use.